don't know if it's that big for me. I'm selling my brand new Xbox 360. Maybe about $60. It's brand new. Just bought it. Power brick, brand new. Everything. To my cords, original cords. And I'll show you that it actually plugs up. Actually works. Since I plugged in my TV. So guys, really, I'm doing this because I got I'll have $70, and then when I get that 60, I'll have enough to get me a JTAG one, and I can do like all kinds of free lobbies and stuff forever. Like, I'll infect y'all for free and everything. So this is what I'm asking, guys. Please, someone either buy or donate to me. Okay? So please do it, okay? And I'll give like every single Call of Duty host. I'll host lobbies and all that on every single Call of Duty. I need the JTAG because one console is connected to the internet and a wireless adapter. Can't afford one right now. And downstairs, that's Daddy's, and it won't read no freaking. It won't read no games. So if you do it, free lobbies for life, guys. Now let me plug this sucker in. Oh wait, across the bed. Okay, let's get it. There we go. And it comes with the remote, 10 extra bucks. For that, free shipping, everything. If you want, I guess it'll come with a controller. All that for $60. Power bricks, all cords, everything, guys. And then you got me JTAG Falcon and all that shit. Or you